HDFC Bank is also all set to report its Q4 earnings, and NIIs is expected to see a jump on a year-on-year basis. Meanwhile, NIMs are expected to decline marginally. Gaurav is here with all the street's expectations. So Gaurav, what is the street really penciling in as far as HDFC Bank is concerned?
Well, yes, HDFC Bank will come up with the results, and if you look at provisional updates, they were actually pretty strong. So, for example, advances was at 1.6% sequential growth, but if you look at deposits, which was actually a key concern, it increased almost by 7.5%. Even CASA ratio improved by 50 bips on a quarter-on-quarter basis, and now it stands at 38.2%. And on back of this, if you look at consensus estimates, now they're expecting net interest income to increase almost by 2% on a sequential basis. They're expecting net interest margin to decline by 5 bips, and we may see this in the range of 3.35%, and this will be because of the contraction in LDR ratio. Now they're expecting LDR to remain at 105% level versus what it was at 110% levels. Lastly, if you look at non-interest income, they are expecting a boost coming up because we know that HDFC Bank sold its stake in Credila, and this is going to give a boost of almost 9,000 crores in this quarter, and this may drive the PAT growth almost by 23% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Lastly, if you look at ROA also, they're expecting ROA to remain at 2%, or rather more than 2%. And asset quality again is not going to change according to the estimates. Lastly, any kind of commentary coming up from the management on the trajectory of earnings will be important, because we know that management had earlier said that they will be focusing more on EPS growth rather than loan growth. Apart from that, any kind of commentary coming up on NIMS margins is also going to be important from the management. And lastly, any kind of commentary on deposit growth is going to be a key area to focus on from the management call. So all in all, on back of these things, we will definitely keep an eye on HDFC Bank and see how it performs for the investors.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.